Hello, Maisy. Are you playing in the playground today? Oh, look, there's Cyril. Hello, Cyril. Oh, bless you, Cyril. Oh, bless you again, Cyril. Oh, Cyril, you've got a runny nose. Have you got a tissue, Cyril? Do you have a tissue, Maisy? Thank you, Maisy. Have you got a cold, Cyril? Oh, there's Tallulah. Hello, Tallulah. Bless you again, Cyril. Do you have any more tissues, Maisy? Oh. Ah, thank you, Tallulah. Oh, Cyril, I think you do have a cold. Maybe you should go home and rest. Come on, Maisy will take you home. Oh, thank you, Tallulah. A spare tissue. It's a good idea to have a little rest if you're not feeling well. Ah, look, Cyril. Maisy's made you a hot drink to make you feel better. Oh, poor Cyril. He's nearly asleep already. Night-night, Cyril. I hope you feel better soon. Oh, bless you, Maisy. I hope you aren't getting a cold, too. At least you have a spare tissue. Bye-bye, Maisy. Hello, Frog. Hello, Maisy. Oh, are you being a frog today, Maisy? Wow, look at Frog hop. Hello, Charley. Look at Maisy hopping. Can you hop too, Charley? Oh, look at Charley. He can hop on one foot. And look at Maisy. She's hopping on one foot too. Careful, Charley. You'll get dizzy. Maybe you should sit down for a minute. Hello again, Frog. Can you think of a hopping game we can play together? That's right. You can play hopscotch together. Oh, do you want to play too, Frog?
Ribbit, ribbit.
Off you go, Maisy. That's right, Frog. That's good, Maisy. Oh, and you too, Frog. Are you going to have another turn, Maisy? Can you hop too, Charley? Oh, and you have to be careful not to step on a line. Whoops, you stepped on a line. Charley's turn now. Good luck, Charley. Whoa, careful. It's difficult, isn't it? Now, Maisy, don't step on the line. Hop, hop, hop. Charley, you're supposed to wait until Maisy comes back. Oh, that's wonderful, Maisy and Charley. Now, can you hop back as well? Careful. Nearly there. Hooray! You did it, Charley. Goodbye, Charley. Goodbye, Maisy. Goodbye, Frog. Hello, Tallulah. Have you come to play with Maisy today? Hello, Maisy. I wonder who that can be. It was Tallulah. Do you want to play tennis, Maisy? Now, where did you put your tennis racket, Maisy? Oh, that's not it. That's a skip rope. That's not it. That's an umbrella. There it is, Maisy. That's your tennis racket. Maisy's ready now, Tallulah. Whoops. You go first, Maisy. Off you go. Oh, that was a high ball, Maisy. That's better. Oh. Oh, good try, Maisy. Oh, who's that? Oh, it's Eddie. Eddie has come to play tennis, too. Now, Eddie can hit the high ones, and you can hit the low ones, Tallulah. Ready, everybody? That's yours, Tallulah. Here comes a high one, Eddie. Oh, whoops. Uh-oh. Oh, hello, Charley. Have you come to play tennis, too? Now you can hit the high ones, Charley, and Maisy can hit the low ones. Low, high, high, low. Oh, nice one, Tallulah. Right down the middle. Thank you, Charley. Tallulah and Eddie are winning. Come on, Maisy and Charley. Whoops. Uh-oh. One more time, Charley. Low. Low. High. Low. Low. High. Goodbye, everyone. Enjoy your game of tennis. Hello, Maisy. You're right on time. Hello, everyone. All aboard. And off we go. How exciting. Oh, we're going into the forest. I wonder who we'll see in the forest. Oh, look, there's a deer. And there's a rabbit. And a fox. Oh, now we're climbing up the hill. There's a lion. Up, 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 and down again. Whee! Hold on, everybody. We're in the mountain now. I wonder who we'll see here. Oh, yes, Cyril. There's a mountain goat. And an eagle. Whee! What fun. Where to now, Maisy? Oh, look at all that snow. I wonder who lives here. Better put your coats on. Ooh, it's cold in the Arctic. Look, there's a polar bear. And a walrus. And a whale. Oh, it's hot here in the desert. Oh, there's a snake. And a lizard. And look at all those camels. Oh, I think it's time for an ice cream cone. Chocolate for Maisy, strawberry for Tallulah, lemon for Cyril, and vanilla for Eddie. What are you going to have, Charley? Hurry up, Charley. It's time to go home. Oh, look at Charley. He couldn't decide on just one ice cream cone, so he's got 3. Off you go. Enjoy your ice cream cone. Goodbye, Maisy. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, Maisy. Are you playing leapfrog today? Oh, hello, Tallulah. Oh, hello, Cyril. Your turn now, Maisy. Oh, Cyril's tail is tickly. It's your turn now, Tallulah. Oh, yeah, very tickly. Oh, how about a piggyback ride? Oh, that was fun. Cyril wants a piggyback ride now. Oh, I think Maisy's out of breath. Why don't you give Maisy a ride, Cyril? Oh, there's Charley. Hello, Charley. Oh, I think Tallulah wants you to give her a piggyback ride, Charley. Come on, everyone. Hooray! Oh, now you're all out of breath. It must be Cyril's turn to have a piggyback ride now, Maisy. Oh, Charley wants to have a piggyback ride too. But I think Charley's too heavy for you to lift, Tallulah. Oh, Charley. Come on, Maisy. Can you lift Charley? Whoa, careful. Oh, whoops. Poor Charley. Now, who's big enough to give Charley a piggyback? Of course. Eddie can give Charley a piggyback. Hooray! Look at Charley. Oh, Charley. Come on, everyone. Climb up. Oh, wow, look at Eddie. He's so big he can give everyone a piggyback. Enjoy the ride. Goodbye. Hello, Maisy.
Hello.
What a good hill for sledding. Look, Maisy, it's a penguin. Hello, penguin. Oops. Hey, how did he get down the hill before you did, Maisy? Oh, there are two penguins. Do you want to ride back up on Maisy's sled, penguins? There are three penguins now. Phew, is the sled heavy, Maisy? Ah, that's better. Oh, look, another penguin. Hello, penguin. Maisy, do you want the penguins to ride down the hill with you? All aboard! Whee! What fun! Look, Maisy, even more penguins. Oops! The penguins don't need a sled. They can slide down the hill on their bottoms. Whee! 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 What fun! Are you going to slide on your bottom too, Maisy? Oh, now that was fun. Are you going to do it again, Maisy? Oh, look at that. Now the penguins are sliding down on their tummies. Can you slide down on your tummy, Maisy? Whee! Where are all the penguins going now, Maisy? Oh, they're going for a swim. Oh, you're not going swimming, are you, Maisy?
No.
Oh, it's much too cold for you to go swimming. You're not a penguin. Oh, Maisy, they're giving you lots of hugs to keep you warm. What a lot of new friends you've made today, Maisy. Goodbye, penguins. Goodbye, Maisy.
Maisy, 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 Maisy. Maisy, Maisy, mouse.